Every single thing that you are doing here, this is where it begins. The engineering, the geology, the innovation, the teamwork, all of that is helping to make you better, but it's also helping to make us better. Because everything that the company is doing, everything that all of the companies are doing, and all of the work that's being done on your behalf and on our behalf, it's being done to make our lives better.
The demand for innovators, critical thinkers, and problem solvers continues to rise. The experience gained here mirrors how solutions are developed in modern industry. Each of you is taking an important step towards the direction